Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the new Jeffree Star Concealer, which I honestly have to tell you I'm loving already. I just put it on. The skin under my eyes looks great. It didn't accumulate in the little lines under my eyes. So if you want to hear more about this, stay with me because we're going to start right now. So you'll see as we go through this video that I am just all over the place with what I'm using and how I'm showing it all to you. But I want to put the Jeffree Star Concealer on right now so you can see how it works. This is the wand, and it comes out like this. This holds a lot of product, so you will never need to dip it back into the tube again, but I want to put this on so you can see it, so watch. First, I want to start in my corner with a tiny little dot, see that? And then I'm going to do out here, and I'm going to do about just a little smudge of it under my eyes. A little bit. Yeah, that will be all that I need. Let me get closer. Can you see that? That's all I'm going to need. So I'm going to use a brush to blend it. You can use a sponge if you want to. I honestly don't recommend using a damp sponge because you don't want to change the consistency of this. It's a really, really good concealer just the way it is. So watch how nicely it blends. You can see I'm mostly dabbing the product on rather than like brushing it around. Oh, that looks good. And it's covering this area in here really nicely. It's just about a shade lighter than the foundation I wear, which is what we want. It's very brightening too. So out here where I have a little bit of darkness out here, it just brightens that up. So now let me look close real quickly. And one thing that I always like to do is I like to just press the concealer into my skin. And I do that with any concealer, just to make sure it's all nice and even. Coming close again. You can see this concealer actually looks pretty good and pretty smooth. And honestly, it's going to stay that way all day long. Look at the dark circles that I have. It's been a crazy, crazy week. But this is the concealer on. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, the makeup is on. I'm gonna pull a little closer so you can see under my eyes. Take a look, it looks really pretty, really smooth. I did use a lot of powder on my face today, so I am gonna use a little refreshing spray that I have with hyaluronic acid in it, which I love, but it's not because of what's under my eyes. I am in love with this concealer, so check this out. It is so, so pretty and smooth and nice, especially on me, on someone of a certain age, where yes, there's some drama, there are some things we have to just live with for now. So let's get on with the review. Hey everybody, I'm back home after a 10-hour day of working, and I'm wearing this Jeffree Star Concealer, and honestly, I am loving it. The skin under my eyes is super, super smooth, and I haven't had to do anything to it all day long. It looks really nice, really smooth. It never got into the little fine lines around my eyes at all. I have to tell you, I am beyond loving this concealer, and I'm excited to keep using it. I want to get a little closer so you can see my eyes too. You know, of course, I've got drama on my skin. I probably need to touch up my powder and fix my hair and all that kind of stuff. But look at this skin. I mean, there is nothing going on there. I have a lot of gray in between my eyes right here, and it really did cover a lot of it up. I probably could have used a little bit more, but I'm just learning about this product. So I definitely think this is a go. Hey everybody, it's me again. I wanted to make this a 2-day test of the Jeffree Star Concealer just to give it a fair shot so I can be honest with you about how I like it or if I like it or what's going on. And honestly, the bottom line is I absolutely love it. First of all, I love the packaging so much. Look at that. It's like a little scepter. It's wonderful. It's good to be the queen. It's so, so beautiful. And I have had this on since about 6:30 this morning. I haven't touched up anything around my eyes, and I will get a little closer. Look, it's covering everything. You can see my makeup's kind of going away on my nose. Blush needs a little touch up again, but underneath my eyes, smooth as silk. Hey everybody, here we are back for the final verdict on this concealer. Yes, I'm sleepy. Yes, it's been a crazy, crazy long day, but I have to tell you, I love this stuff. I am using shade C12. I like a little bit of pink in my products, and this has got a nice little peachy pink undertone to it, so it worked out really well. You can tell by looking at my eyes that I'm tired. I've got the circles under my eyes, but honestly, the concealer piece of it, let me pull a little close. Can you get a little closer? Seriously, look at that. That is pretty darn good for a concealer for somebody my age, I guess. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs up and I'm gonna say yes. Try out the Jeffree Star Concealer. It's Magic Star Concealer, he calls it. It's $22. You can get it at jeffreestarcosmetics.com, and you also can get it at Morphe stores. So if you've got one of those around, you can pick it up there. But I definitely think this will be a good product for you to get. For my friends of a certain age, this works really well. It doesn't dry out your skin under your eyes. It doesn't look crepey. It doesn't settle into the lines. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. So this is gonna be my go-to concealer from now on. For any of you who are considering this product, I definitely suggest you try it. Make sure you put your eye cream on underneath it. Don't use as much as you think you need. The first time you use it, you'll probably use too much. And I think you're really gonna like it at $22. This is an amazing, amazing product. Let me know what you think about it after you've used it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.